All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're going to tackle one of the biggest time wasters for any local service business, writing up estimates. We're going to walk through a super simple AI framework that can take that task, the one that takes like 30 minutes, and shrink it down to just 30 seconds. Sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, let's find out.
So, does this sound familiar? You are a true pro at what you do. Plumber, landscaper, accountant, you name it. But you feel like you're just drowning in paperwork. You're spending more hours every week quoting jobs than you are actually doing the billable work that pays the bills. Yeah, it's a grind. A total grind. It's this universal problem for so many business owners. It is slow, it is so repetitive, and you know the worst part? It's all non-billable time. It's time that pulls you away from the work that actually makes you money and grows your business. And look, it really just comes down to one simple thing, right? Opportunity cost. Every single minute you spend hunched over a keyboard typing up a proposal is a minute you're not on site, you're not finishing a job, and you're not meeting your next potential client. But what if you could just change all that? Well, the solution is way simpler than you might think. This isn't about needing to become some kind of tech wizard. Nope, it's all about learning how to give your new AI assistant the perfect prompt.
Okay, so this is where a term you might have heard, prompt engineering, comes into play. But don't let the fancy name fool you. All it really means is talking to an AI the right way, giving it clear, specific instructions and context so you get a high-quality, relevant result every single time. No more garbage answers.
And here it is. This is the secret recipe to make it all work. It's an incredibly simple four-part framework. First, you give the AI a role. You tell it who you want it to be. Then you give it context. That's your business details. Next, you give it a specific task. And finally, you tell it the format you want the answer in. Seriously, burn this into your brain. Role, context, task, and format. If you get this, you get everything.
Okay, so theory is great, but how do we actually do this? Well, your very first step is to build what's called a master prompt. Think of this as the initial training session for your AI, where you teach it the absolute fundamentals of your business, your rates, your services, all the important stuff.
Now, look closely at this example. See how specific it is? You're not just asking a question, you're giving a command. Act as a professional master plumber. Then you're feeding it your real-world numbers, your hourly rate, service fees, flat rate jobs. It's like you're uploading your business's brain right into the AI. And boom, just like that, the AI gets it. It confirms it understands, it's stored your pricing, and it's ready to go to work for you. So with that one single prompt, you've basically created a custom assistant who knows your business inside and out. How cool is that? Okay, so the hard part is over. Your AI is trained. Now for the fun stuff. You don't need to reinvent the wheel every single time you need a quote. Instead, you're going to have a little toolbox of just a few core prompt templates that can handle pretty much any scenario that comes your way. So let's look at how flexible this is. On one hand, you've got a super simple job, right? A leaky faucet. Quick and easy. But then, on the other hand, you can get way more specific. You can ask it to quote a more complex job and add special notes, like telling it to end the estimate with a specific sentence about the proposal's expiration. The same core framework handles both perfectly. Okay, this next one is a real game changer. What about upselling? You can create a tiered option prompt. All you have to do is tell the AI the good, better, and best options and their costs, and boom, it instantly spits out this professional-looking comparison table. This isn't just a quote anymore, it's a powerful sales tool that you can create in seconds. And here's another way to do it. Add-ons. You just tell the AI, hey, quote the main job, in this case replacing a toilet, but also list these optional upgrades underneath the subtotal. It makes it so easy for the customer to see the value and just say, yeah, you know what, go ahead and do that too. Right about now, you might be thinking, okay, great for plumbers, but I'm an accountant. I'm a graphic designer. Does this work for me? And the answer is absolutely yes. The beauty of this framework is that it is completely universal. It works for any service business. Check this out, a landscaper's quote for a patio. Does that good, better, best table look familiar? It should. It is the exact same structure we just saw with the plumber's water heater quote. You just swap out the details and the logic is identical. And to really drive the point home, look at this, an accountant. No physical materials here, right? But the model is identical. Instead of pavers and stone, the tiers are based on things like the number of accounts and transactions. It's the same framework, just with different variables. See how powerful this is? And that's really the key takeaway here. The power isn't some magical AI. No, the real power is this simple, repeatable framework. Role, context, task, format. That's what gives you these incredible, consistent results every single time, no matter what you do. So when you start using this system, you're not just getting faster, you're giving your business an actual superpower.
The ability to respond to almost any customer inquiry with a professional, tailored quote in what feels like an instant.
I mean, look at this. This is the transformation we're talking about. What used to be a 30-minute headache, typing everything out, double-checking the math, that is now a 30-second task. You just copy, paste, and hit send. Done.
So let's just quickly run through what this really means for you. You're going to save hours of your life every single week. You'll be sending out professional custom quotes almost instantly. You'll win more jobs because you'll be the first one to respond. And you'll probably make more money by making it so easy to offer upsells and tiered options.
And that really leaves us with just one last, but maybe the most important question of all. When you get back all those hours you used to pour into paperwork, what are you going to build with them? Are you going to take on more clients, learn a new skill, or maybe, just maybe, finish work a little earlier? That choice is finally yours.
Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. And for more content, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon.